So today I am scrapping 4 photos from Easter Sunday, and there's one of me in some bunny ears, there's one of a beautiful sky, and then there's one of there's Zoom screens from my TV from my Easter Sunday, or not Zoom, YouTube screens from my Easter Sunday service. I still did not go back to church until after this, just because anyway, we weren't masking in church at that point, and I was a little concerned about being there. So I just did Easter Sunday service like I did last year on YouTube. And then the bunny ears and the sky are from a beautiful run I did on Easter Sunday. Well, I wasn't going to run with the bunny ears, but they are from when I run Easter runs. So I just put them on and posted it to Facebook. Anyway, I mounted all of those photos on that Doodlebug Petite Prince Cupcake Gingham Linen paper, one of my favorite faux solid papers. And then all of that is going on this very old Jelly Bean Soup Southern Chicken Dumpling Soup, and it's the dried basil paper, but it's all those silly bunnies since I have my silly ears. These stickers that I'm putting down here, the bunny and the tab there is from Bella Boulevard, Simply Spring Treasures and Text. So that's that bunny on the left, and the little tab there that says happy day. And then I have this cut apart here from the Echo Park Happy Easter paper, and I loved this basket, but I didn't want to use the whole card because I didn't have room for it. So I decided to cut that out and then put it on the layout in the bottom left corner, and then move the bunny to the mid right. So now I have 3 kind of element clusters there. Sometimes I do cut things out of my 3x4 cards because I don't have room to use the whole card, and it just becomes a decorative element. So that's a way of making your supplies work for you instead of you working for the supplies. I'm looking for some labels for some journaling here, and these are my boxes of Ellie Studio labels. I have them all cut apart. Some of them came as already printed die cuts, but I keep them kind of by color, couple of colors in these 4x6 photo boxes from Michaels. They're Recollections photo boxes. So I've shown a lot of these before. So just again, still looking for pieces here. I find that the story of card there, label, whatever, die cut, that's what it is. And then this kind of matching label. So I really like that. And then I want to ground that bunny, so I'm going to use that other label on that side. And I really like how those go. Now I need to do a title yet. And I'm thinking what I can do is do a smaller title on the story of card, because it is kind of the story of Easter Sunday for me. And that's what this layout is called, is Easter Sunday. And you'll see how I do that in just a minute. So I'm going to tuck that in behind. And then overlap the basket there. But I decided to put the basket up on foam tape. I just love that basket with all the cute little eggs in it. All right. Now I'm going to get the basket down, I should say. So I love that photo of the sky. As I'm looking at this, I'm looking on the screen, but also on the layout. And it was such a gorgeous sky. I just looked up, and I carry my phone while I'm running. I don't run with music, but just for safety's sake. So it's easy to snap pictures. And I was not running all that fast at this point, so it was very easy for me to stop. I wasn't worried about time at this point. All right, so now I'm looking for, how can I do my title? I'm thinking I want to do the word Easter. Thinking about using my Ellie Studio or these mini tile stickers, but I don't have the right letters in those tile stickers, or I just didn't like the way they're going to look. So I found these Crate Paper Maggie Holmes Willow Lane stickers, and I'm going to use them for my title because I can get the word Easter. I have plenty of letters left there, so I can do the Easter and then emphasize that pink. And they're kind of cute because they have a little darker polka dot on them. It's hard to see. It's easier to see when they're on the sheet. Once you take them off, it's harder to see, but you get it as a little darker area. Okay, so there's Easter. And then I'm just going to take my Zig Brown journaling pen and write the word Sunday in there. So it's the story of Easter Sunday. I had such a small area to get the word Sunday, and I just decided to handwrite it. And then I'll use that same pen to journal around the page so that the brown doesn't stick out so much. So thinking about using some more of these Bella Boulevard stickers, but that flower was too big. So now I go to my Echo Park Happy Easter element stickers. These are old collections, by the way, Easter collections. And I'm going to grab some of these flowers and kind of spread them around the layout. We did not have really, well, I suppose we had really early flowers at this point, like crocuses and that kind of things. But I don't even know that the daffodils were out yet. A little too early in my neck of the woods. Unless we've had a very warm spring, which we did not. So playing around with where I want that flower to go. Tried it here, then tried it on the other label, settled with it there. And then I'm looking at this page, and there's all these like phrase stickers that kind of, emphasized what I was feeling that day, the word cute and the word joy. So I added those up on top of my little label on the right side there. Then next is time for some enamel dots. Of course, that's how I finish off almost all of my layouts. So I'm looking for a yellow that I can use, maybe a white. And I'm going to eventually settle on a color pink. There's pink. I have lots of colors I can choose from because there's so many colors in the background, but the colors that I was finding were not the right yellows, or not the right like blues, greens, or pinks. The color was off. So I found these yellow dots from Altenew. It's the Pocket Full of Sunshine enamel dots, and I'm going to use those. And then I think I didn't have enough of the other color of those Doodlebug dots, so I ended up not using them. But I'm trying to use up my more random enamel dots and then just maybe move over to the Altenew ones eventually, unless there's colors I can't get, which that will happen. But at least, and these sheets have so many on them. That's the thing I love. And I think they're about the price of a package of Doodlebug enamel dots. I think these were $4.99. All right, guys, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be